Hi, I'm MAPS coach Jessica Fox. I'm here to explain what the heck is the R2G2 program all about. Well, it's about helping you close R2 agents that might be stuck on your pipeline. So know that you are supported by a group of fantastic coaches, the R2G2 coaches, that are here to help you get the agent to the other side of the finish line. So depending on their background, if they're commercial or residential, or if they're with an independent broker or more traditional brokerage, or if they need to better understand teams, whatever it is that they need, one of these great coaches can help you cross that finish line together. So by simply going into command and to the left of your profile, click on the marketplace button, you will be able to click on Leadership R2G2 program. If you view the details, you'll see that this is a free service, currently free, provided to you to help you close your next R2. So click on the consultation that you desire, a team leader consultation. And by filling out this form, you will be connected with one of these great coaches to help you close that R2. So think about, who do you have in your pipeline that you need a little help or nudge with? We can either help you live with that recruit, or we can meet with you, coach with you, and give you some ideas on how to get that conversation going to the next level. Reach out to us today. We look forward to helping you. Again, this is Jessica Fox, MAPS coach. Reach out if you need anything at jessicafox@kw.com.